take a video to come?
You can take a video too, but I'm gonna take a video of you guys doing your inspection, okay? Come on in, let's check out your Tesla.
Oh, that's tough.
Ooh. It looks deeper, huh?
It does, right? And then tell me, where is that paint protection film? Can you even tell that it's on there?
Where?
That's why your husband knew where to bring it.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, you can touch it. It's you guys now. It's yours. What do you think about the window tint?
Wait, so it's on the...
Oh, it's music sensitive. Wow.
Yes.
I can't even see it.
Thank you.
You're
We
welcome.
did it on the
Hood, front bumper, side
and
fenders.
the fender here.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
That's
And then we did a little something extra for you guys on the doors on back, 6 month ceramic coating for you.
Right, okay, let's see.
So no waxing, no nothing. The ceramic coating just really gives it that nice rich shine for you, okay? We appreciate our Tesla employees. I know your hubby's going to be excited, but this is yours, right?
Yeah.
Nice, nice. Okay.